Hey, what's up guys? We're going for an early morning drive here in Jacksonville. Welcome to downtown, baby. Now you're gonna start seeing the big, huge buildings. Wow, pay attention, dude. You're going on a red light. Getting ready to take my main man down to the veterinarian. I know taking your cat to the vet is not a great thing because cats hate being in those little cat carriers, which I don't blame them for being pissed off and mad for being in a little cage, but they ain't riding in the car like a dog. If they were just like willing to hop in the car and just ride like a dog, I would take my cat and put him in the car and ride out. But you know, I hate putting cats in these little boxes. It sucks, but you gotta do what you gotta do to make your family feel good. Like I said, you gotta take care of your pets because they're family just like your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister. So now all we're doing is sitting here waiting for the good old doctor to tell us what is wrong. So basically I took my cat just to go weigh him and all that kind of stuff, because the last time he was here I think it was January, so I do take him to the vet when he needs to be here. Come on buddy, you can sit next to me. I know you're scared. You can sit next to me. That dude's my buddy. He doesn't like the doctors just like I hate the doctors. I don't like going. So using Google helps. It actually said he had an eye infection, or as you might want to call it, like a pink eye. And that's exactly what it was. It's because he's an outdoor cat and basically like dust and stuff gets in his eyes and all that kind of stuff. So I just gotta go get the medicine now. But it looks like he's gonna be okay. They say he's a healthy weight. They say he's muscular. He's muscular. Damn, this place is empty. It is packed. It's Jaws. About to get my grub on. Just waiting for someone to show up. What is up, all you beautiful bastards out there watching? Hey, I'm here at the beach getting ready to grub at Joe's Crab Shack. If you guys enjoyed this place, let me know in the comment section below. It's seafood. I don't really eat seafood besides crab, shrimp, or lobster, and that's what I'm about to do is go get some crab, shrimp, or lobster. And that's exactly what I did, is went to town on that lobster, rice, and corn, baby. Look how delicious that looks. It's expensive, though, at $21 for that whole meal. Outrageous, but delicious. Nothing like hanging out with cool ass people, especially celebrating your birthday. And I guarantee you I have sand in my shoes. So I gotta get that taken care of and take the sand out of my shoes. But there's nothing better than hanging out with cool ass people on your birthday. It don't matter if they're cool ass friends, cool ass people you're dating. It's just cool to have people around you that are cool, chill. Everything in life happens for a reason. That's why you need these cool ass people in your life. That's why I always say, if you have good enough friends, they can always end up being really close friends or family. And celebrating my birthday with cool ass people is something awesome, because where I live, technically, all my friends have moved out of Jacksonville, so I don't really technically have a lot of people here that I socialize with. And I don't know if you guys want to say that's a bad thing or not, but it's just like all the people I've met here are pretty badass, very like genuine, nice people, but they've all moved out of state because they said Florida sucks. And I totally agree with them where they say Florida is a cesspool. There's not much going on, but here comes a badass car coming up. Is that a Celica? I don't know. Yeah, that's a Celica right there. That Celica is straight sick. That's why I've always said I cherish having one or two really close friends that you can talk to about anything and everything, because that's better than having 22 friends that you probably never see.
It's almost there. Let's separate.
Those people are drinking and riding bikes.